This shawarma recipe that I'm about to share with you, you can never ever buy this from any vendor. Homemade shawarma remain the best. Hello, creative bangers. Let's banger this one together. Okay, we'll be making use of beef. I have shared how to make chicken shawarma. Today we are making beef shawarma. In a preheated pan, drizzle some oil, moving with the marinated beef. Marinated the beef overnight. You can marinate yours 3 hours before you make use of it. The list of the ingredients used in marinating the beef will be listed at the description box, also at the comment section. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. Alright, I stir-fried the beef till they are 100% cooked. And also, you can see that they have released some juice. You need that juice. Once it is ready, move in with some onion, allow to simmer for another 30 seconds. Take it off the heat and set it aside. In another bowl, we are going to mix the cream. I'm moving with mayonnaise. Sweet chili sauce, you can replace sweet chili sauce with tomato ketchup. All right, now I added those sauce, those juice that came from that beef. Oh my word, this is one of the reasons that I said that no vendor can sell this one for you. Now I'm moving with some chili pepper. You can add any pepper of your choice. I added some salt. Now you can add honey to sweeten it more, okay, but I didn't add honey. The juice from that beef gave me everything that I needed in sweetness. Then I added vinegar, white vinegar, to loosen the thickness more. You can substitute white vinegar with fresh lemon juice. Mix to combine very well till it is very creamy. All right, now let's mix the shawarma filling. In there, I'm moving with shredded cabbage, cucumber, carrot, the cooked beef, and finally the mixed cream. Look at that cream. It is creaming. Go ahead and mix till everything is well combined. Shout out to you, Precious, watching from Port Harcourt, Pascaline from Anambra, Grace from Burkina Faso, Fiona watching from Kenya, and Faye all the way from Nigeria. Whoops. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay. All right, you can see how creamy that mixture is. That is how yours should be. It's not a dry feeling, as you can see. Now grab your pita bread or your shawarma wrap. All right, I have shared how to make this at home. Today I'm using the store-bought. Okay, I will leave the link on how to make yours at home at the comment section, also at the description box. Go ahead and tear the wrap into 2 equal parts. While doing this, please be careful because it can easily tear. All right, place both of them as demonstrated. Now you can spread more cream if you have. Okay, it's totally optional. Now moving with the filling, go ahead and start wrapping. Wrap the first one, then from my right hand side bring it together. From my left hand side I bring it together, then continue wrapping. Please, we are going to wrap this to be very firm. Okay, don't wrap it to be too loose. All right, this is going to help you to enjoy the shawarma very well. If you don't wrap very well, the cream might be spilling while eating the shawarma. It might even stain your clothes if you don't know. Okay, now as you can see, it is properly sealed and closed. Like I mentioned earlier, if you don't have extra cream, just go ahead and add the filling. Go ahead and fold just like we did to the first one. Now you can either grill or you can toast just like I'm doing. You can also use your air fryer to do this. Okay, If you want to use a pan, make sure there are no liquid in the pan. You can only brush with oil. If you want to add oil, please no water. Go ahead and toast as you prefer, and that's it. Very simple and easy. Go ahead and enjoy with your loved ones. Look at that. Whoops. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. It turned out so well. The most delicious shawarma you will ever try. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.